Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast in Central Texas. This is Fox 44 Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike LaPointe.
The big weather story is Hurricane Ian down in the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico right now. It's just a huge hurricane. There it is. It's located about 230 miles to the east and southeast, I should say southwest, there of Sarasota, moving to the north at 10 miles per hour, sustained winds at 120 miles per hour. Category 3 major hurricane at this time. Here's our exclusive Viper radar. You'll notice the spin going on right now. There's the eye, well-defined eye. It is actually gaining more strength as it pushes off to the north. We'll get in a little bit closer and you'll notice a yellow band here. That is a tornado watch in effect here for the next 12 hours. The red color, some tornado warnings already from those kind of rain bands that have been moving in, and we already have that hurricane watch and hurricane warning in effect. Hurricane warnings in effect from the Tampa area all the way down to parts of the Keys. So a very dangerous situation. We are not only looking at some steady rainfall right now, but the big concern will be that storm surge, that wall of water that will start to move in as the hurricane approaches the land. Right now, here's the track from the National Hurricane Center. There's that Category 3 up to a Category 4 by overnight Wednesday, 1 o'clock in the morning. And it looks like somewhere around Port Charlotte. This is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, 130 miles per hour, Category 4 right now. We will wait and see if it holds its strength, but take a look at this. Tampa is not too far out of the loop right now. Storm surges could be as high as 15 feet in these areas, and it continues to move right across the Orlando area as a tropical storm before it begins to weaken up toward parts of Georgia and South Carolina. But again, a very, very dangerous, this is a life-threatening storm that'll be moving through Florida. You'll notice here over toward Texas, we're not going to see anything from that. Right now, what we are seeing is a lot of clear skies, 91 degrees, our humidity at 17%. That's because the dew point is hovering right around 40 degrees. Air is extremely dry right now with temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s in most spots. Mahia checks in right at 89 degrees. So I expect clear skies this evening. It looks like a good night for a walk. We're going to cool it off once that sun goes down. You'll notice by midnight temperatures in the 60s and eventually by tomorrow morning falling back down into the mid 50s. So maybe just a tad warmer tomorrow morning than our 52 this morning, but you'll enjoy it. So it's going to be very nice. And then a lot of sunshine throughout the day. Tomorrow, temperatures upper 80s to lower 90s across our area. And then late Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to keep skies mainly clear. Temperatures falling into the 50s and lower 60s on Thursday. And then throughout the day on Thursday, mostly sunny skies. Should be a beautiful day with temperatures a little bit cooler. I think we're going to be in the mid to upper 80s for highs. Your forecast tonight, though, mostly clear skies, 56 degrees the low, and then tomorrow mostly sunny skies. We'll top out around 93, south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then as we look ahead, once again, this is your FlyGRK.com, your local hometown airport, and what we are noticing is slightly cooler weather on Friday and Saturday, and then back into the 90s, but still low humidity, so looking pretty good. We're going to keep those low temperatures in the 50s, so very comfortable mornings. You can just look at it like, you know, maybe fall in the morning, then springtime in the afternoon with the sunshine. But unfortunately, we've got dry conditions right across the next 9 or 10 days. Same story down toward Bryan and College Station. Upper 80s to lower 90s for highs. Low temperatures will drop down into those 50s, which we like, a few 60s there by next week, but not looking bad at all.